Hello guys and welcome back to this video. It has been a while now we have posted a video in this channel. Apologize for that. However, I have a great product which is from Samsung budget gaming monitor. So model number we have used here is LS24R350FHXXL1. So we are going to do the unboxing and full review. Before getting into the video, my name is Nanda and you watching Space Tech channel. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing that channel. At the end of the video, please smash the like button if you like the video. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, there are two models available in 24-inch variant. The major difference are bottom color chin only, bottom color bezel I mean. So balance are everything the same. Now let's start the unboxing. Opening the box, we have a HDMI cable. Previously Samsung include only VGA cable. This time they have upgraded to HDMI. That's a good one. Then we have the power adapter. This time also they have changed the power adapter. Seems like this design is great, looking great, small and compact. The power cable to that power adapter. So then we have the clip for cable management. Here's the clip. Let's take the base stand. It is entirely made with plastic. At bottom it has some aluminum support to steadiness for the monitor. Here's the main stand. So we have to connect the center stand to base stand. Okay, let's take the monitor. Let's attach the stand. Seems like there will be screws to mount the monitor to stand. So here you have the user manual and screw. I forgot to take out from the box. So we have the user manual, some stickers for identification purpose, I guess so. So then we have two screws. Let's connect that. Okay, after connecting the screws, it looks like this. So bottom we have the cable management gap, so you can attach your cables to that. So we can see that this monitor has wall mount support. So after finishing setup, monitor will look like this. It can be vertically tilted, so no, there is no horizontal tilt. So it has maximum of vertical tilt as I shown in this video. There is no other option to tilt or any kind of monitor adjustment. So as you can see, the three sides are bezel-less, one of the key feature of this monitor. So all three sides are bezel-less and the slimness of the monitor looks great. As you can see, overall footprint of the monitor is very slim design, so it looks great while viewing the contents or normally looking at the monitor. One of the gorgeous monitor I have ever seen in my life. So as you can said earlier, monitor can be wall mounted. So as I show here, it is mounted to the wall. Let's see the ports we have. Left we have the power button and control button, all are linked to that joystick style one. So then we have the HDMI port, then VGA port, then power port. There is no 3.5mm jack or any other ports available. As I said earlier, we have 4 ports for wall mount. So overall, that's what we get in this monitor. Let me connect the HDMI cable to the monitor and attach the power source. Another key feature of this monitor is 75Hz refresh rate. Comes with 5 millisecond response time. So it can be overclocked to 83 Hz at maximum. I have overclocked this monitor to 83 Hz. As you can see, the FPS come to 83. So that's what it is. I have been using this monitor more than 30 plus days, so I have an idea about pros and cons. Now let's start with cons, the things I haven't liked this in this monitor. First of all, the first major disappointment is black levels. So don't get me wrong, the black levels are good at times. Sometimes it could be below average. As you can see, I am playing the Red Redemption 2. So one of the bit dark scenes, when you see the dark screen directly, it would be great only. When you move your head to left or right, it may shift the color sometimes. As you can see, the color shift is happening because of the low brightness. This problem is occurring, I think so. So now let's test the black levels and find out is the best or not. Now let me keep the background white to check the black levels. As you can see, the black levels are good. There is no black bars in this white scene, so there is no black light bleeding or like that. Management are poor like that. So anyway, let's find out the colors and diagnose this monitor. As you can see, there is no more dead pixel like that. You can check every monitor, no particularly in Samsung monitor or like that. You can check every monitor this way. Anyway, you can find out the problem. So now let me pull out the HDMI cable to show the black light bleeding is there or not. Now I have removed the HDMI cable. You can see the top there is one light slightly bleeding, but there is no more major bleeding as shown in one of my friend. Time you can get the replacement from Samsung, which has 3 years warranty for this panel, so no worries there. There is no black light bleeding, to be precise. Second most disappointment is number of ports in this monitor. After the change in HDMI cable and power adapter, I thought though Samsung will be adding extra ports, but unfortunately Samsung haven't had any number of ports extra. We have only one HDMI port, only one VGA port. There is no display port, 3.5mm or extra one HDMI port haven't available in this monitor. That's all about the cons. Now let's come to the pros, the things I have loved in this monitor. First of all, the same black levels. As you can see here, the black levels are very good. Overall, the black levels are great in those scenes, as you can see. Number 2, the wide viewing angles. The wide viewing angles are good. There is no complaint here when it comes to normal brightness at 30% or more than 30. When it below 15 10, you may notice the color shifting. That because of the backlight. All IPS panel have this issue, I guess. So that's about the IPS panel. So number 3, the panel type and refresh rate. So Samsung using one of the best panel here, which is IPS and LED backlight. It comes with 75Hz refresh rate and 5 ms response time. The overall monitor footprint is matte finish. It will distract some background lights like that. Overall, the best panel used by Samsung here. So number 4, we have the excellent colors plus vibrancy. The colors are very much punch here, as you can see. So I will attach a few more footages of the quality of the monitor. You can check out. So that's all about the monitor. When it's come to gaming, we have the AMD FreeSync. monitor can be overclocked to 75Hz to 83Hz, so it won't affect any performance or lifespan of the monitor. You can easily overclock using your graphics settings, so you can play your games at 75 fps out of the box. That's cool, I guess so that's all about the monitor. Here is the conclusion for this monitor. Who can use this monitor? For example, PS4 lovers or Xbox lovers, etc. So the monitor comes with standard HDMI port. So by connecting HDMI cable, you can watch TV in this monitor. You can connect PS4, Xbox, Fire TV, etc. Because it comes with a standard HDMI port, you can use it as anything you wish to, as your external device support HDMI port. So for gamers, it has offering you a 75Hz refresh rate at 5 ms response time. So it also has a FreeSync, so you can use if you have the AMD chips, or you can use it for flicker free experience. So you can overclock this monitor to 83Hz at maximum. If you wish, you can overclock your monitor, so it support max of 83Hz. However, I do using this monitor for more than 20 days at 83Hz only. I didn't face any kind of issues. So it is also super for movie lovers because the colors which are very punchy. So for sure you are going to love this monitor. The bezel design of this monitor makes you feels bigger. As it is 24-inch, it may feels like 25 or 25 inches. So I would not suggest this monitor for editors, because if you are more curious about the colors in this monitor, which has 72% NTSC color gamut, not also more than 72, because of that this monitor is not color calibrated to 100%. If you more curious about the colors, I would not suggest you to buy this monitor. However, as a end user, also me, movie lovers, for gamers, you may enjoy this monitor a lot. That's all about the video. If you love this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, so those who looking for purchasing the monitor. I will see you guys in next video. Bye bye now.